Hi, my name is Monica Warren, and I'm the proud founder and CEO of Face Finances. We are a boutique accountant financial advisory here in Indianapolis, Indiana. We provide a whole host of accounting services such as bookkeeping, payroll, tax planning, tax preparation. We recently brought on medical billing, so pretty much anything financial we handle. Prior to joining the AI 1000, I personally had really not dabbled much in it. My marketing team actually used it for our marketing plan. So I would look at the output that they would generate from responses. Since joining the program, I have successfully written my first RFP, and I have written a book, hopefully to be published soon. I have also utilized it for other things like creating new accounting workflows, a sales strategy to build my business out even more. It is important to train as many people in our community for prompt engineering because it does help bridge that gap of inequality. We live in an age of information and technology, and if you're unable to utilize those prompts in ChatGPT, you pretty much can do anything. So for example, a small business owner may not have any experience in sales. They can create a sales strategy with utilizing ChatGPT, or they may not have marketing skills such as myself. They can utilize that as well. So it definitely can help bridge that gap of inequality across our community.